customer ordered that old, ancient, semi-ancient Intel / Packard Bell. This is the model. It's listed as MU440EX chipset. That's pretty old one, and we just want to test it. It's in a pretty decent shape. It has built-in video, so we just put the Intel SL2HA CPU. It looks like it's 300 megahertz, 512 cache, the 128 meg of RAM, and here's the jumper settings for powering up, but sometimes they come up fine. We just have to try it. So it's a ATX 20 pin connector, so we'll just give it a try and see what happens. So it looks like its power turns on, and looks like monitor light is on, so that probably will come up. So here's the Packard Bell logo, and so we just need to see the initial screen. Okay, it's booting up, counting memory, so we can try to get to the keyboard detected. So entering setup. So it's pretty much Intel motherboard with Packard Bell probably logo flashed into the CMOS. Okay, F2. So the date's obviously out of sync. Now it's 10. How do we change it? I think it's okay, shift. No, that's probably shift plus. Okay, yeah, 10. And months 2. Today's the 3rd, and oops, and 2026. So we're gonna see if battery holds the time. So F10 and save. So we're gonna shut it down. Okay, let's see what happens now. So now it's not starting, so we just have to shorten 6 and 8. So 1, 5, 6. Let's probably need some pause. So let's see again. 6. It's not starting. Interesting. So we're gonna have to probably wait a little longer. I have to check this power on 6, 8. It's not starting. 1, 6. That's odd. Okay, we'll check in 5 minutes.